Hi everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. From today onwards, I'm going to start a review series on my channel. I have earlier done some unboxing and reviews, but from today onwards, I'm going to start this Monday Blue View series. So this is a kind of a series which I had on my Instagram channel through photographs and the product tags and all. But this is for the first time that I thought that why not prepare some small quick reviews for my YouTube channel also. So today I'm going to share one of the product and which has kind of changed my skincare game because I have been into skincare for the last 3 years and I have been using some kind of products you must have seen in my skincare routine earlier also. But mid 2020 I faced a little bit problems because my skin is aging now. I'm in my mid 30s, so I needed a kind of a serum. I had tried one or two other company serums also, but they did not work for me. So I heard a lot about this product and I took almost 2 months to try this product on me and finally do this review video. So the product which I'm talking about is this. This is L'Oreal's Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence Serum. It was reviewed by so many YouTubers earlier, I think in around July, August, and I think in the early 2020s also. But I got my hands to this only in the month of August, and yes, this bottle I purchased it in the month of August. This is such a kind of product, such a value addition product that it goes longer period of time and it has shown good reviews on my skin. So as I was telling that my skin has started aging and I've got some dark spots around on my skin, I will be sharing with you that how do I use this product in the middle of the video. First of all, let me talk about the product and what are its ingredients. So first let me talk about the packaging. So this micro essence comes in 3 packaging. One is this kind of packaging, 22 ml, one is 65 ml, and third is 130 ml packaging. So I will be giving the link below about the product and its details and from where you can buy it. You can buy it from almost every online store. Now I'm going to talk about the ingredients. So the main ingredient of this micro essence is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is known as a very good exfoliator. So anyone with especially for acne prone people, salicylic acid is a very good exfoliator, as it exfoliates your skin and cleans the pores and controls the oil in your skin. The second ingredient, which is very good that they have added that ingredient in this, is Centella asiatica. So Centella asiatica is basically for treating the fineness and giving a fine structure to the skin, for repairing the skin, for giving elasticity to the skin, Centella asiatica is a very good anti-aging ingredient. And the claim of this product that the company makes is that it goes 10 layers deep into your skin and treats your skin. It is mainly due to the Centella asiatica extract. So overall these are the key ingredients. And as far as the texture is very watery kind of a texture, so it is very easy for you to apply it within your hand, and you can apply it directly. So in the next clipping I'm going to share you how I use this product. Due to some formatting in my phone, I cannot share you exact before and after, but I will be sharing you how my skin looks now, and you can totally see that there are changes. I had very bad acne and aging scars going on under my around my cheek area. I had a very much fine lines happening around my forehead. So I personally have seen that my skin has become more fine, my skin has become more you can say elastic kind of an effect. So this is what I have personally felt, and I really wanted this kind of a product in my life, and I'm really happy that L'Oreal has launched such kind of a product which is so good that I think this is a kind of a serum which can be used for almost every skin type. I have a combination skin type. I have more dryness over here and more oiliness on the center part of my area, but this, due to salicylic acid, it basically balances all the oil, and it maintains the hydration due to Centella asiatica. So it kind of balances all the overall effect of my combination skin. I would say that I usually use it before applying a moisturizer, and then I layer my skin with a very light kind of a moisturizer. For dry skin people, I would suggest that they can go for a very good rich moisturizer after using this product, and for normal skin people also, this is a very nice product. So very good product according to me. I give it I do not give any kind of points to it, but it is a very good star product in the kitty of L'Oreal and in my skincare kitty. So this was all, guys. This was my review. This is my first Blue View series on YouTube channel. So I hope that you people like this video. If you want more of this content, and if you like this review, then do give a thumbs up, and also comment below that did you find this review valuable or not, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Bye.